वन्दे मातरम् सुजला सुफला मलयज शीतला सस्य श्यामला मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी पुल्लकुसुमिता द्रुमदलशोभिनी सुहासिनी सुमधुरभाषिणी सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरम्
One who sacrifices life for the good cause and live for others is remembered lifelong.
We have to live for our country and our each and every work should make it proud.
A very fine and pleasant good morning to respected President Sir, Honorable Principal Ma'am, all the management members, teachers and all my dear friends. We wish you all a very happy Independence Day. I, Kakul Yadav,
And I, Molly Singhania, with full of our heart welcome you all.
we are gathered here to mark the other landmark of success by celebrating the 75th Independence Day of our beloved country, India.
Let's start with our first performance with a beautiful speech by Navya Sati.
Very good morning to the Honorable Chief Guest of the day, respected Principal Ma'am, respected teachers, parents and all my dear friends. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Everyone presented here knows the reason to get together in such a big crowd. Independence Day is celebrated every year on 15th August. We all celebrate this day with great joy and enthusiasm every year. First we hoist our national flag, then give a salute and sing national anthem song. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August because India got freedom on the night of 14th of August in 1947. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru had given a speech on Independence Day in New Delhi, just after India got freedom, where the people of the whole world were sleeping, people in India were struggling and were walking to get freedom and life from British rule. Now after independence, India has become the largest democratic country in the world and the best example of unity in diversity. In past years, our great Indian leaders had given sacrifices with the courage in the heart to give us a free and peaceful country by sacrificing their comfort of life. We can never forget the sacrifice of Bhagat Singh, Khudiram Bose and Chandrasekhar Azad, who lost their lives at a young age just for their country. Gandhiji was a great Indian personality. He taught many big lessons to all the Indians about truth and non-violence. And finally, India got freedom on 15th August after so many years of struggle. There is a youth celebration takes place in New Delhi at Rajpath every year, where the national anthem is sung after the hosting by Prime Minister. Also a salute to 21 guns firing with the national anthem. Showering of flowers through helicopter is given to the national flag. All the forces take part in parade and give the salute to our President and Prime Minister. On Independence Day, there is a national holiday and everyone celebrates Independence Day from their own places by hosting the flag in schools, offices or societies. Everyone comes together to celebrate this day and organize a cultural program. We spread a message of living together happily. New India is a mission to take our country forward and resolve to build a new India. PM Modi said we are nurturing our youth to be a job creator and not just a job seeker. It has taken many big steps for the development of India, such as demonstration and GST, which will change the economical condition of India. We should always be ready to save our nation by bad people. We should take an oath today of being highly responsible and well-educated citizens of the tomorrow India. Thank you. Jai Hind.
thank you Navya for the knowledgeable speech.
It's time for entertainment, so I would like to call Aditi Paryar for a beautiful dance.
Thank you, Aditi, for the fabulous dance.
The world is full of diamonds and gems, and we are having some of them here. Now, for an amazing poem, I would like to call you for.
A very warm and pleasant good morning to respected President Sir, Principal Ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. My happy Independence Day to all. My name is Rumit Kaur and I am here to recite a poem. यह उन दिनों की बात थी, चुनौतियों से भरी हर रात थी, जब वीर जवानों ने हमें यह संदेश भिजवाया था, शहीद होकर अमर हो गए और देश आजाद करवाया था। हाँ, यह देश गुलजार है, हवा में इसके प्यार है, छोटे बड़े सब अपने हैं, खुली आंखों में भी सपने हैं। हर परिंदा आजाद है, सभी भाषाओं का अनुवाद है, हर बूंद पे प्यास है, हर रस में मिठास है, रंगमंच है खुशियों का और भविष्य का भी अंजाम है, ज्यादा या थोड़ा ही सही पर हर दिल में मौजूद कलाम है, हर दिल में मौजूद कलाम है। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Rumit, for the fabulous poem.
Now, one of my friend Nancy will sing a song.
Good morning, all of you. I wish Happy Independence Day. I'm Nancy Agarwal, so I'm going to start my song.
अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सौ दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा, चाहे जान मेरी रहे न रहे। ऐ मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी
Thank you, Nancy, for the melodious song.
Moving forward, I would like to call Ashika for a wonderful dance.
हमारे यहाँ कोई माने ना, यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है। ऐसे हैं चाहे वैसे हैं, अरे जो भी है जैसे हैं, उन पे हम नाज है। बिना हमको ये जमाना, चाहो तो हमको आज़माना। हर बार हम चाल साज हम इस बात के बारे, कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले, सुनते दिल के हाल से इंडिया वाले, जीते हाल से इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। हिंदुस्तानी हमने कहा है, तुम भी कहो। हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो। ये देश है वीर जवानों का, बेलों का, मस्तानों का। इस देश का यारों, इस देश का यारों का कहना, ये देश है दुनिया का कहना। अल्लाह तुझे सलाम, अल्लाह तुझे सलाम। आओ बच्चों तुम्हें दिखाए झांकी हिंदुस्तान की, इस मिट्टी से तिलक करो, ये धरती है बलिदान की। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
देश रंगीला रंगीला, देश मेरा रंगीला, देश रंगीला रंगीला, देश मेरा रंगीला।
झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा, देश तिरंगा प्यारा। सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, हमारा। सारे जहां से अच्छा हम बुलबुलें हैं इसकी, ये गुलसिता हमारा, हमारा। सारे जहां से अच्छा।
Thank you, Ashika, for the fabulous dance.
Now I want to call Shalini for a beautiful poem.
Warm and pleasant good morning to everyone, respected principal ma'am, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. First of all, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Today I shall be but here to dedicate a poem. बंद हुआ दुनिया का सुख चैन से सोना, और शुरू हुआ है जोर जोर से रोना, क्योंकि पीछे पड़ गया एक अत्यंत बोना, भयानक बाहुबली नन्हा मुन्हा कोरोना। कोरोना घुस रहा चोरी चोरी हर देश में, बंद कर डाला लोगों का आना जाना विदेश में, क्योंकि चाइना का ये माल घूम रहा गली बाजार। इस बार खूब घिस घिस चल रहा बस यही समाचार। कोरोना के कारण प्यारे प्यारे से देश परेशान, ढूंढ रहे कोरोना जी को ठिकाने लगाने का समाधान। भूल से कोई न कहना चाइना माल है बेकार, वरना कोरोना कर देगा सबको क्वारंटाइन। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Shalini.
In the midst of novel coronavirus pandemic, the celebration is not similar this year, but we are celebrating it online with all love, respect, and care for our nation.
Now I want to call Shrishti for a beautiful poem.
A very warm good morning to respected Principal Ma'am, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. I am Srishti Patel, and today I am here to tell a poem. Our nation is land of sages, also known for its bravery for ages. No one can complete it, its culture can beat it. Be whatever the caste, creed, gender, or religion, we all live with love in this nation. This is my happy country, India. On this Independence Day, we remember past how our real heroes gave their life for today's citizen beautiful life. We honor this day with our flag and glorious darts. Let's celebrate this day with love, joy, and peace. Let's celebrate this day with love, joy, and peace. Happy Independence Day. The Mother Earth, today we all come together and be the cost of our country's unity. Have made it another beautiful day, fighting against bad practice and disregard the flag of our nation. Happy Independence Day, Vande Mataram.
Thank you.
Work like a Gujarati, eat like a Rajasthani, dance like a Punjabi, sing like a Bengali, smile like a Kashmiri, and live life like a Gone, and always be cherished if always being an Indian.
Good morning, you all. Without vote of thanks, any program is not completed and cannot touch the sky of success. As it is first time that we have conducted online program on the occasion of Independence Day. So today, I, Abhyasha Jain, class teacher of 8E, would like to thank you all who had participated in this program and for their self-hard work. Without any guidance, you did it by yourself. I am giving my heartily thanks not only to participants but also who are watching this program and giving their precious time for this program. Thank you and happy Independence Day to all.
Now it's time to end today's activity, but we believe that any nation event is incomplete without nation anthem. It's time for General
जनगणमनाधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा
विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा
तव शुभ नामे जाति तव शुभ आशीष मांगे
गाहे तब जय गाथा जनगण मंगल दायक जय हे भाग्य विधाता जय हे
भारत माता की जय भारत माता की जय भारत माता की जय